got a 2006 Ford F-150 that it's got true duals on it, and the cat's been cut off. He cut them off somewhere else, some other county. So I'm going to let you hear the difference between without cats and then when we put the high flow cats after. So this is what it sounds like without cats. As you guys can see, it is obnoxiously loud. Again, there's a sound. It was like 122 where it peaked with 6-inch tips. True dual with 6-inch tips. So we'll let you guys, I'll show you what happened and we'll let you guys hear it after. So this is straight pipe catless. We're gonna put high flow cats on. 2006 Ford F-150 King Ranch. We let you guys hear it before with no cats on it. And then we put 2 high flow cats there and there. Then we trued it a while back. Oh, you remember the cross flow that we always talk about. And then 2 1/4 all the way back. Right there and right there into 6-inch tips. There and there. I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a second and show you the difference in sound it made. There they are. And don't forget to subscribe, please, so we can keep going. There you guys go. Yeah, it's a lot better. It's still loud, but it's not as loud as grassy. That is so loud. Give me gas. Again. Yeah, it went up to like 116 now instead of 121. Heck yeah. Come on, bring it back. It's still loud. But it's a cleaner loud. Yeah, the sound is cleaner. It's got a nice stance to it. And you guys can follow him on Instagram. There's his Instagram and his Snap. Follow his build. Keep going. Again. What do you guys think? True duals with high flow cats. I think it's mean. Let you guys hear on the inside. Sound wise, but it's all straight pipe with 5-inch tips. If you want to listen to it real quick, see if you change your mind. Ford F-150 King Ranch. True duals, high flow cats, 6-inch tips. Had the cats cut off. He regrets it. He put them back. Put them new ones.